So now there's some concern and conversation about whether or not you can pee out here. Yes, you can pee out here. Colin, on the other hand, right here, sweetheart, she fell asleep. UTV.
She looks like she's dead.
Colin, baby.
Take a picture.
She's out. You having fun yet, Carmen?
Yes, so much fun. What about you?
How come you're scared of fun?
I'm the one saying go faster. Dad's going so slow.
I've been having to swim. I'm going low when it's like up hills or whatnot, but then you got to stop and hit high. Are you just staying high the whole time?
Yeah, because every time like, there's no way you can go up a dune in low. Like, I mean, I tried low. I'm like, nah, I stopped and put it back in H.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, I'm staying at 20 miles an hour for the most part anyways. How about you, Mom? What do you think about this whole thing?
Well, there's really no words. It is so beautiful and it's so nice to be here. It is gorgeous.
And Pop, what is it like driving a side-by-side in the middle of whatever we're calling this place?
With a screaming woman beside you, it's pretty exciting.
So, and the dune with the drop, did she squeal and make you stop?
Oh, he did.
You did?
No, I just stopped to investigate.
When you look straight up and you don't see road, it's kind of like, do I stop?
Did you see the ledge?
So this is Pop's and Teta's ride. They're sporting the side-by-side, the two. And then Christian and his family have got the four-seater in blue. And then we have the four-seater in red right here. And it looks like Colin's up. Colin, was that fun? Pretty cool, huh?
She said I got rocked to sleep, didn't you?
Did we go fast? And then look at that view, huh?